All right, this video is going to go through the process of how owners can certify their properties. All right. Okay, now let's just start at the beginning. First of all, you have to log in, right? So you go to members, you go to login, right? And we go right here. I've got a test property that I've set up. Let's see. So we'll log in here. All right, there we go, logged in. Go to your member profile, go over to My Properties. All right, here's My Properties. Now you can see in this test membership that I've set up here is that some of the properties are already certified. You can tell because there's a certification seal, there's a certification number assigned to it, and it says update over here, and this is where you can renew or upgrade. You know, if something changes, you can change your application over here. But if you're not certified, you won't see the seal on your image, and you'll see this button, Certify Property. So what you do is you click Certify. You come up to upgrade this screen right here, and you click this little dot next to Certified right here. This is your personal information. This is where you live, all right? So and how somebody could contact you. This is important because if they catch something out on the internet that's wrong about your listing, they find a bogus listing, they should be able to contact you and let you know what's going on. So here it is, you know, your contact phone number and country, city, state, and everything else. This is a message block down here. If I'll show you what my certification page looks like. This is what a certification page looks like, all right? And right here it says message to guest. And what you want to do with that message is you just want to take a moment and tell your guests about yourself and how you run your business. Kathleen and I said how long we were in the business and how we felt that their time was valuable and that we want them to have the best vacation experience, that type of thing. I would keep it to 200 or 300 words, all right? So then the next question is your business incorporated? If it is, you click yes. It'll ask you the company name, the type of corporation, S Corp, LLC, that type of thing. The issuing state or government. If you're not incorporated, you just hit no, all right? And then it says upload a personal image of yourself. So this is choose file. So you have an image of yourself. If you look right here, here's the image right here. So what you want to do is upload an image of yourself so guests can see who you are. If you do not upload this image, the default image will be the image, the main display image of your property. All right. But anyway, I think you should put your image up. The rental location information, a lot of this is going to be auto-filled in from your property, information page. But check it out. We're in a lot of countries now, so you're going to be asked a lot of times what country you're in. So we're in the United States, so we'll go to Alabama. All this looks good. I purchased the place in 2005. Let's say that. And then here comes the question: do you use a property management company? Do you use a property management company? Now, if you say yes here, we're going to ask you who the company is, all right? Once again, what country is it in? Okay, so we'll go back down to the United States. In my case, it's going to be in Alabama. The city's Gulf Shores, okay? The street address, of course, we'll put in a street address over here. Contact phone number. We need the contact phone number for this management company so we can call them and confirm everything, right? All right, and we ask you the management company's name, what their website is, and what your listing number is with them. They give you a listing number. And down below, we have these fields, and we ask you, where do you know that your property can be legitimately seen on the internet? Because when guests come to the certification field page, they're going to be looking at a listing somewhere else, and they're going to compare that listing, where it is, and the property number to what you put on the certification page. So it's very important we get everything here. So say if you were just, for example, on VRBO, you would put www.vrbo 933058. I just made that up. But it doesn't matter. Get that all put into place, property management company's name and things, and then you hit submit application. And that's all there is to it. Now, if you don't use a property management company, then we're going to ask you if you have a business license or not. All right? Some places, I operate in an area that requires a business license, so I say yes. Once again, you can fill this out, it's the city of Gulf Shores. Give it a contact number of 251 something. Once again, we're back to the country thing again. So I'm in the United States, so there's that. State or province, we're in Alabama. Street address, I think there's somewhere on West 1st Street. Postal code 36547. And a license number. That's the license number. Down here, they're like RL 13 something. And the date of the license expires. My license expires, I think it expires on December 31st. And then what it's going to ask you to do is upload a picture of your license. In that case, what you do is you take a digital camera or your smartphone, and you take your license and you put it on a flat surface where it's fairly well lit, and get a clear image of your license. And you just upload it. You save that to your computer and you just upload it. Once again, we ask you the same questions as we would ask you if you were running with a property management company. Where can you find this property legitimately on the internet? All right. So you just fill this in. This is being auto-filled in because we already filled in part of the application as property management company. Now, a lot of people don't operate in areas that don't require a business license. So in that particular case, we're going to ask you, well, do you have a real estate tax bill that at least proves that you own the property? All right. In that case, you can say yes. You're going to choose that file just like you did you're going to take a picture of your real estate property license or tax bill. All right. The amounts don't mean anything. You can cross out the amounts. We just want to see the parcel number and your name to show that you actually own the real estate, and you can upload that. Later on here, very shortly, we're going to be including fields here that look very similar to what you see with the business license fields. You know, we're going to ask, well, what is the city or the county that this real estate tax bill is from? How can we contact them? What is the parcel number? That sort of thing. So you're going to, if this video isn't updated shortly, you may very well see fields here if you are going with a real estate license that isn't on this video. But we change it at AVROA all the time. Now, if you say no to this, we're going to say, well, listen, this online application can't fit your particular circumstances. All right. So in that case, what we want you to do is simply submit your application. What it will do is it will come to us, and we will contact you and discuss how we can appropriately certify your property. Anyway, that's just about the whole thing. All right. You take care. Bye.